Love feels heavy, but it's pulling through. Less of words, more of flow. Sea of silence, soft and slow. Smell the salt, the ocean side. Wounds that heal, tears that dry. Feel the deepness, don't pretend. Regret will pass like tides that bend. Dive down where the echoes sleep. In slow motion, secrets keep. Ambience in every sound. Noise is lost, but peace is found. Heartbeats fall in rhythm with the waves. Every crash a memory it saves. Flow like time, can't rewind. But in the deep we learn to find. Less is more in this abyss. No light, just endless bliss.